Cheers!
From Lennox Head.
Lake Ainsworth. Cheers. Our feet's in the water,
Soaking in the tea tree
standing in a cup of tea.
with a coffee
Love it.
in the sun.
Oh, it feels good to be outside. I think I want to take my shoes off and do some grounding. Let's test and see how cold this water is. I have a feeling it's going to be quite nice.
Oh look, rabbit.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a zip tie.
Oh, no, it's...
Oh, what's that?
They're the big barrels. They're the big barrels at the edges of the lake. Pretend that didn't happen.
Oh, it's so icy.
Oh my gosh, look at that water.
We're doing it. We are going in. Oh, she's in. This is us in the middle of Lake Ainsworth. Just for those of you who don't know, it's a tea tree lake. And tea tree oil is so good for you. How lucky are we though? This is end of June in Australia in the winter and we're in the middle of a lake.
There's nothing in here, hey?
Don't tell her about these sharks.
No, more like crocs.
Oh, crocodiles. I don't tell her. There's crocodiles. Oh, look over there. No, there's no crocodiles. This is a lake. It's a tea tree lake. And hey, this is really good grounding. If you're feeling really anxious.
Yeah, I feel good in here.
This is a nice way to ground yourself. And if you haven't been to Lake Ainsworth and Lennox Head, you have to come and try it.
Go do it.
Now,
Go have some fun.
go do something different on a Thursday.
You're gonna come out smelling like tea tree. This is really good for your skin. Apparently it's an antiseptic. It's an antiseptic.
See how
So
like
brown. Oh yeah.
there we go. Check it out, folks. This is what the tea tree water looks like.
That was fantastic. Highly recommend a swim in Lake Ainsworth in the middle of winter.
We're pretty lucky. I feel really grateful to live here. How's your Thursday going?
Tell us what you guys are up to on your Thursday. Or if your Thursday is not that great, don't worry.
Mate.
There's 6 other days in the week.
And if you follow us,
We'll give you some cool adventure ideas that really make you feel alive. Smelling like
oh yeah, smell it.
smelling like tea tree.
Oh, smell that. Yeah, smelling like a tea tree.
Well.
Cheers to life. That's living, girl.
Was it cold?
Hell yes.
Woohoo!
We are at the beautiful Lake Ainsworth today having an amazing salad. And just dawned on us, it's 1 month today since we started our YouTube channel. So we also decided from there that, holy shit, let's introduce ourselves and get to know each other and get to know you. Go and grab yourself a coffee or a salad.
A snack.
Or a snack.
We're having, they're called paleo puffs. Smells like coconut oil, but they're very Moorish. Grab yourself a snack. We even have some chocolate and lollies.
So, let's lunch together. We are from northern New South Wales in Australia. Absolutely stunning part of the world. How did we meet and who are we? Renee and I have known each other for about maybe just over 2 years now, I think. We met through work and we're both in an office job.
We've really got along and worked together. We were like partners in crime. That's what they used to call us in the office because we're always like doing things together.
But we were kind of like bounce off each other and just have fun, whereas we
Yeah.
found the rest of the office were very serious and there was always drama. And yes, there is 20 years difference between us. And no, I'm not Renee's mother. So I guess it just shows it doesn't really matter how old you are. You can be friends with any age group.
Yeah.
There's a duck and the duck wants a chip. You got to feed the wildlife. We both absolutely love animals. We have been on a few little adventures and had fun. Like we've worked in food trucks together. We've been on a cruise together with Renee's family.
Well, every time we're together, we're always having a good time.
So decided that, hang on, let's just work together.
Like we have to do something. We've got to do something together. We have to work together.
Yeah.
Like,
Because I just don't want to do the 9 to 5 anymore. And I have had my own businesses, but me being me, I'm very independent and I like to do my own things. By the way, this is a really nice coffee. Nat's coffee. Well done.
And this chocolate. Holy
I
see why you get the hazelnut one.
I've never tried the hazelnut one. I got that today to try it.
Haven't you?
She's eaten it all.
There's another one in there, isn't it?
I know. And we both got such different skill sets, which is so good. Like, but it balances us out for sort of to do a business together.
Like why we work well together.
And we align together with our values. And we eat mainly organic. And
We're both on a bit of a health journey as well. We might share that in the future. We wouldn't be the only ones going through what we're going through. So if we can help someone else that's going through a similar thing, like that would be amazing. I'd love to help someone. That's a whole other video, isn't it?
Or 2.
Maybe a series.
So that's another bit of us. We like to travel as well, and we were supposed to be traveling together this year, but as you all know, there was a pandemic. We love chocolate and
Tahini and peanut butter and coffee.
Me and tahini not so much.
You're weird.
We both have a cat each. We absolutely love our cats. I have a ginger cat called Friday.
And I have a grey cat named Harry.
So you'll get to know them on our little journey together.
So why we started our YouTube channel? Pretty much we want to spread happiness.
Simple things. We kind of got chatting one day about stepping back and just enjoying the simple things in life. Sometimes people just get so wrapped up in life and hyping up being busy. People are hyping up the fact that, oh my God, I'm so busy. Sorry.
No, like
making it sound like that's a good thing.
Yeah.
How about you stop and take 5 minutes to yourself and go and put your feet in that lake and just really ground yourself. Sometimes we're just floating around, getting stressed out.
They're stressing about, oh my God, I haven't done enough today. Like, why are we doing that? We want to make YouTube videos that...
To remind you to slow down. The duck. Let's call him Barry.
Oh.
Let's call him Barry. Come back. I'm going to get him to come over. Barry. Barry has got a bit of a... Oh, look, Barry's got...
Don't be shy. Say hello. Say hello.
There he comes.
Say hello.
Barry, I think he's got Friday's cat fur hanging out his mouth. Look at it. Barry, just
Don't
take
choke
it
on
easy
it.
when you eat. Share it with your wife. Sapphire, here she comes. This is Sapphire. Look, she just tapped herself. Here she comes. There she goes. You know what they say? Don't work with children or animals. And what are we doing?
Working with children.
There he goes.
I belong to you.
How beautiful is Lake Ainsworth? We're going to take you for a little tour. So
There's cute little barbecues
heaps of parking. There's a caravan park over here.
over there. Paper trees. Look after nature.
Feels nice. It's the paper.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Are they Australian natives? I think they are.
There's like a little ramp that goes into the lake. Look out. You may run into some bird poo.
That's a surf club.
Surf club, is it?
Yeah.
I think this is the tea tree, guys. Is it? Is this the tea tree leaves?
Yeah. How beautiful.
This is what makes the lake all brown and tea coloured.
And look at the beautiful flowers.
Alright, let's keep going. We got surf club over here, and then the surf is through there, which we'll show you in a minute. And then wait for it. Ta-da! Woo! Such a gorgeous view.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah. Alright, let's. Track to the beach.
Oh, so good.
We are walking up the big sandy hill to the beach.
I'm like trying not to.
I fully just tripped.
Well,
So, you know,
what?
the lake is just behind us and we have the beach in front of us. There's the beach. You see the lake?
And there is the lake.
That's magical.
Isn't it? Look at that. Everyone just gets like a little posse along the lake to watch the sun go down. It's really sweet because it's like you have your own little private spot.
And the toilets are over there too.
Oh, and there's toilets. We always find the toilets.
That looks like a good time.
Historically, Lake Ainsworth was an Aboriginal woman's water hole. So women would wash in the tea tree infused water after giving birth.
Also, the tannins from the tea tree has antiseptic qualities. So it actually heals wounds and cuts. Like, it's a freshwater lake, but it's got like all of that antiseptic properties in the water.
That's amazing, hey?
It is amazing.
And you can just feel the energy in here. Like, it is a real...
Very feminine energy. I love it.
Yeah.
Such a nice place to go to.
But I think historically, men weren't allowed to here anyway.
Because pregnant women used to go there. It used to be their place. So this is the end of the path. You come to some sort of centre, Lake Ainsworth. Recreation centre. Now,
Watch the sunset.
we are going to walk all the way back to watch the beautiful sunset. That's the end of our little tour of Lake Ainsworth.
We're about to go and get settled in to watch the sunset because it's looking like it's going to be amazing tonight.
Bring like a bottle of wine. If you're coming to Lake Ainsworth, it's actually so nice just to sit, relax, do some grounding with a glass of red.
Good date night spot.
We got some good date night ideas for you.
Maybe we should get some good date ideas for ourselves because we're both single. To be honest, I never knew irises had bulbs.
You got some more pumpkin, do you? Oh, you're right. Holy shit. It's taking my fingers off.